Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Samsung Pay from the bottom of the screen. So let's get started. To disable the Samsung Pay swipe up gesture from the home screen in One UI, first open the Samsung Pay app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your mobile screen. Next, tap on the gear icon to go to Settings. Now here, tap on the first option, Quick Access. Now here's a disable toggle for Samsung Pay access from the lock screen and home screen. And that's it, how to remove Samsung Pay from the bottom of the screen. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.